Okay, good night everyone. And this time I want to sharing about new review paper from Journal of Nuclear Materials. The title is A Novel Ferrochromium Alloy Tungsten High Entropy Alloy Coating for Enhancing Lead Bismuth Eutectic Corrosion Resistance. This paper by Wu and Lu from China. Okay, about the abstract. The use of ferritic metallurgistic steel as a container material for liquid lead bismuth ferritic LB presents several challenges owing the complex and diverse types of LB corrosion, including dissolution corrosion and oxidation corrosion. This paper proposed a novel strategy to address this challenge based on the estimation for this conversion of ferrochromium alloy tungsten high entropy alloy (HEA) coating. The objective is to simultaneously enhance the resistance of FM steel to the both dissolution corrosion and oxidation corrosion. Following LB corrosion, the surface of the coating exhibits oxide layer consisting in an outer oxide layer OOL composed of ferro-oxides and inner oxide layer IUL composed of aluminum oxide and chromium trioxide. Among test samples, ferrochromium alloy tungsten 0.75 XEA coating exhibits the thinnest OOL and IUL layers when subjected to LB corrosion over different duration. Demonstrating superior resistance against LB corrosion, the incorporation of the coating increases the covalence of its coating, thereby improving the bonding strength. In addition, it decreases of exertion of negative PB and BI on the surface, thus by actively limiting the mutual diffusion of the coating elements PB and BI, inhibiting dissolution corrosion. Furthermore, the IUL formed by aluminum and chromium exhibits protective properties and improve the oxidation corrosion resistance of the coating. These effects are further enhanced by high absorption capacity of the material coating to oxygen, which help accelerate formation of the IUL. Additionally, the material coating retains satisfactory mechanical properties after being subjected to LB corrosion for 2000 hours with HVE, HV4E, and HV power 3 per E power 2 values being 6.92 gigapascal, 197.2 gigapascal, 0.0351 and 0.00852 respectively. So about the introduction, we know that the LB as a coolant in Gen 4 reactors. So LB is promising coolant for accelerator-driven structural system in the generation for nuclear reactors. Advantages: low melting temperature, high boiling temperature, excellent gamma shielding, and good neutron properties. Challenge: LB can cause several corrosion in ferritic metastatic steel at high temperatures, uh, like 550 degrees Celsius, leading to degradation in mechanical properties. So, need for corrosion protectant strategies. Surface coating provide an effective non-destructive method to enhance LB corrosion resistance of FEM steel. Two types of coating studied. One is ceramic coatings, like aluminum oxide, iridium oxide, silicon carbon. These are good corrosion resistant but suffer from poor adhesion and low thermal conductivity. And two is metallic coatings like ferroaluminium, ferrochromium aluminum, ferrochromium aluminum, iridium. Yeah, better adhesion and mechanical properties making them more suitable. And high entropy alloy (HEA) coating as a solution. So, HEA is a novel metallic coating with multi-principal element structures, offering superior mechanical and corrosion-resistant properties. So, the key benefit is high entropy effects, lattice distortion effects, sluggish diffusion effect, and cocktail effect. Research on XEA coating for every corrosion resistance is still limited. So, the challenge in existing XEA coating, we know that it is existing XEA coatings from a protective oxide layer like aluminum oxide, chromium oxide to resist oxidation. However, dissolution corrosion remains a critical issue when exposed to LB high temperature. Dissolution corrosion mechanism: 1. Weak bonding strength among elements leading to ferrodissolution. 2. Selective absorption of PBBI and accelerating material degradation. The role of tungsten in HEA coating to improve mechanical strength and corrosion resistance. So the benefit is are enhanced covalency, increase interbonding strength to reduce ferrodissolution, reduce absorption energy of PBMBI, limiting their diffusion into the coating, promotes for formation of dense aluminum oxide and chromium oxide protective layer, improving oxidation resistance. So, objective of the study are to develop ferrochromium alloy tungsten equal to 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, and 1. SEA coating using selective laser melting (SLM). Investigate microstructure, alveolar corrosion and mechanical properties. Evaluate performance at 550 degrees Celsius for different spatial duration like 500 horse, 1000 horse, and 2000 horse. And last, to identify optimal tungsten content to balance mechanical and corrosion resistant properties. So, experimental procedure: first, preparation and characterization, material and coating fabrication. In this method, yeah, we use ferrochromium aluminum and with different tungsten coating applied in VM steel, selective laser melting used for high density uniform coatings. For the characterization techniques, to see the microstructure, we use SAM, ADS, HRD for morphology, composition, and path analysis. For mechanical properties, we use nano indentation for hardness and adhesion. And about corrosion testing, we expose to 550 degrees Celsius LB for 500 horse, 1000 horse, and 2000 horse. So objective is evaluate homogeneity, mechanical integrity, corrosion resistance in LB. Assess tungsten content effect on dissolution resistance and oxidation behavior. So, for LB corrosion test, uh, we call coating exposed to LBE, like this variation. And we can see at figure 1, this the schematic diagram of experimental device used to LBE corrosion. So this the core stuff, this PBBI. So in this course, this is sample, then this LB. So this course we put into the furnace and we use a temperature 550 degrees Celsius and conducted in controlled oxygen environment to study oxidation and dissolution behavior by glass measurement to assess corrosion resistance. After LB corrosion test, the residual LB on the sample survived was removed by washing solution. This was composed of alcohol volume ratio of this material, and this cleaning method was really used because the remnant was caused of the sample surface. So for mechanical test, we conduct using the XID 100 TM machine China with 1,000 gram load and the wheel time of 20 seconds. Performed with TI-9X0 nanoinverter from Booker Hudson to measure the relationship between elastic modulus and indentation depth. The spacing between indentation was greater than 1000 micrometer. A diamond tip was used to indent vertically to a depth 1000 nanometer. The loading rate was 0.1 per second with hold time of 10 seconds. All tests were performed in 5 parallel sets, and the average value from this point were reported for each sample. So, for the result, one is about composition and microstructure. The coating exhibits a body center cubic BBC plus structure with main peaks observed at 45 44.5 degree, uh, 64.5 degree, and 81.8 degree, corresponding to the 00110, 200, and 211 crystal planes respectively. Tungsten and chromium are more concentrated in a part where whereas a ferro more abundant in the B part, consistent in the consistent with the ACD solution. So the average ganges of ferrochromium alloy tungsten 0.25 ECA coating is 52.4 microPM, which caused by the extremely cool hot processing characteristic of the laser selective melting technology. So, from table 1, we can see the proportion of the intrinsic successor increase with the increase of the tungsten content. So, we can see this increase. And this unique metal progressive structure attributed to the universal melting points of the in a ferrochrome alloy tungsten XCA coating. And from this table 1, the contents of high melting point chromium alloy are higher than those hollow melting point elements ferro from the upper, whereas the opposite of true FB part. So we talk about LB corrosion behavior. FEM still survives exhibit typical porous oxide accumulates and graduate from the low protective oxide layer with increased corrosion time. So you can see the oil on the ferrochromium aluminum tungsten 0.45 SL coating survey exhibits in this and design structure mainly causes aluminum oxide. As LV corrosion processes, the sample coating remains the design and motif shown in figure 3A and F. The addition of tungsten in the sample coating limits the diffusion of contact with oxygen, inhibiting the generation low protective ferroxide in the surface enough to increase diffusion oxidation. Simultaneous approximately UL consistent of aluminum oxide and carbon oxide from the sample coating facilitated by the law gives generation energy atau G theta direction with the surface LB correction. The UL likely has a double layer structure with porous outer oxide layer UUL and decent inner oxide layer IOL. However, due to the lost structure of the heap pairing broad ratio PBR of the ferroxide, they exhibit insulin protection of the superaddition resulting IOL peel off and exposure to the IOL. So this table about SID analysis result. So we can see the different elements with different times. And as LB correction progress, the diffraction of peak of IOL surface uh, of the sample coating transition from aluminum oxide to multiple oxide including aluminum oxide, carbon oxide, ferro oxide, ferro, and others. You can see this. And the SY protoelectron spectroscopy is best result ferrocarbon aluminum tungsten oxygen PBBI bismuth on the surface of the material coating after the liquid corrosion test. You can see high resolution SBS photon of V aluminum dopy which is objects like this number corresponding to uh, FV2 plus and other respectively. This outcome validates the existing of the two distinct of valence transition IOL in the line of the auxiliary findings. So the IOL consists of the porous IOL with distinct ferroinsignious structure and distant IOL with ferrolite structure. Because this higher stability, ferro in the LB compared with other element, this ferro associated layer is preventing migration of the solar substance oxidation resulting in the formatting IOL and IR. The low internal bonding strength with the coating facilitates diffusion toward the surface, leading the formation of ferroxide. Oh, we can see this figure, and this the concentration from the outer oxide layer and inner oxide layer. The absorption of PBB and oxygen of the surface, the exterior coating facilitated by porous structure is the high-tenance crystal imperfection sun and oxidation layer. The thickness values of the IOL in the surface of sample value and FEM still increase the prolonged LB correction time. So this, and among them, the sample coating show the lowest thickness of UL. And the relationship between the UL thickness and corrosion time indicates the oxidation from converts to the parabolic grow low, with the parabolic oxide grow the rate of XY coating defined in equation 1, d quadrant equal to Kp cross T. So we can see where the D is total oxide skull thickness, Kp is with the uh, parameter micrometer quarter per hour is the parabolic oxide growth rate constant and T is the correction time. So the result show that oxide thickness in the surface in this word is the tiniest of the correction time. We show in excellent resistance to LB corrosion. And result about mechanical properties after LB corrosion. The hardness, elasticity modulus, and hardness of the material coating increase as tungsten content increase, owing the increased covalency of the excited coating. You can see from this figure. In the terms this parameter, the material coating exhibits superior mechanical properties with the higher HV per E like 0.0352 and HV power 3 per E power 2 is 0.0101 than the other coatings. So the material coating exhibits the lowest right-handedness resistance, indicating that retain its mechanical properties during the long-time surface can thus ensure surface stability. The E, HP, HP per E, and HP power 3 per E power 2 values of the material coatings remain is 197.2 GPa, 5.62 GPA, 0.0351, and 0.0.852 respectively after a correction for 2000 hours. This result shows the material coatings retains of its overall mechanical properties when the subjected to LB corrosion. So we move to the discussion from this paper. The crystal structure model of the electromechanical function ELF of the material where the consistent elements are randomly distributed into the special quasi-random structure model. With the raised tungsten content, the ACA coating experienced an escalation in the covalent bonding, signifying a bolstered internal bond strength. The ACA coating effectively mitigates of the solution of ferro in the LB, thereby reducing the growth of red of the OOL. The edge of ferro-oxygen atoms become the negative with increasing tungsten, indicating strong absorption capability toward oxygen and oxidation rates. The power protectively IOL can further slow down dissolution corrosion. So, material coating exhibits the lowest Kp values. And the thickness of the IOL in the material coating is the thinner than other variation tungsten, yeah, one tungsten. Based on the above result, the schematic illustration of the protective. So the conclusion from this paper is one, the thickness of OL and IL of the surface ferrochromium alloy tungsten X ACA coating increases with the increase of LB corrosion time. Among the ferrochromium alloy tungsten X ACA coating, ferrochromium alloy tungsten 0.75 is a coating demonstration of the thinness OOL and iota cells under the reference LB corrosion duration, indicating the highest resistance of LB corrosion. PBMBI thereby avoiding dissolution corrosion. Furthermore, the preferential formation of aluminum oxide and chromium oxide owing the lower delta G0 contribute to formation of the protective IUL with imparted excellent oxidation corrosion resistance. Owing the optimal LB corrosion resistance, the material coating exhibit the slowest decline of mechanical property after LB corrosion among tested sample. After 2000 hours, the XV per E and XP power 3 per E power 2 values are the material coating were the highest among of the prepared ferrochromium, aluminum, white tungsten, XEA coating. So this is the review paper from me. So thank you. Good night.